Every year, thousands of plant machinery are lost to fires. But what if there was a better way to stop it? Working with heavy machinery like this comes with risks, and one of the biggest, fire. Electrical faults, trapped debris, engine heat, and the big one, hydraulic fluid. A small spark can quickly become a massive problem. These fires don't just damage equipment, they stop projects, cost thousands, and put lives at risk. That's why you need fire protection that's as tough and versatile as these machines themselves. Something compact, reliable, ready when it counts. That's where this comes in, the fire safety stick. Versatile, lightweight, and powerful. Don't believe us? Let's put it to the test. When it comes to diggers, engine fires like this are more common than most realise. You've got heat, oil, hydraulic fluid, and electronics all working hard in one tight space. A leaking hose, a split line, or even trapped debris on a hot surface. That's all it takes for ignition. Once it starts, it can spread fast. Hydraulic oil burns fiercely, feeding the flames and reaching areas that are difficult and dangerous to access. Traditional extinguishers can struggle here. They're bulky and can leave behind corrosive residue that damages the engine further. But the fire safety stick changes that. Lightweight and completely clean. It works by releasing a powerful vapour that interrupts the fire's chemical chain reaction, smothering the flames at the source without affecting your breathing. No pressure, no panic. Just fast, controlled protection that keeps you and your machinery safe. Dumpers face many of the same fire risks, but in an even tougher environment. Constant vibration, tight engine bays and exposure to mud, dust and debris all take their toll. Over time, wiring can chafe, insulation breaks down and hydraulic fittings loosen. When that happens, high pressure hydraulic fluid can spray into hot engine components, instantly igniting and turning a small fault into a full-blown fire. On site, there's rarely time to think, so that's why quick, reliable fire protection matters. The fire safety stick gives operators a simple way to react fast that is much more durable, so requires no servicing. Compact enough to store in the cab, yet powerful enough to tackle all major fire classes. Clean, effective and always ready. Because when your livelihood's on the line, every second counts. 2 fires, 1 answer. Clean, controlled, unstoppable performance. With the fire safety stick, it really is that simple. No corrosive mess, no powder clogging up your wiring, just a clean, simple, effective solution that tackles all major fire types. Protect your equipment, protect your livelihood. Get the fire safety stick, trusted by professionals across the UK. If you want to learn more about the fire safety stick or find your nearest approved stockist, go to www.firesafetystick.com.